not heavy enough.
Put your toe on it.
That was anticlimactic.
Gotcha. Ow! What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today, we're working on the wife's truck. You want to explain to them what you did?
No, I didn't do anything.
Liar. Now, if you saw our last video, you saw that the batteries were dead as a doornail. It was no good. We had to put a set in there. Not a good day. But our luck struck again, and now we've got wheel bearing issues. So I don't know if I can spin this thing by myself, but Matt, you do the honors.
I got this cool rolly chair. Up at home.
Oh yeah.
It's broken, you get the point.
Yeah, you can hear it. It's pretty wild. She won't own up to it.
I didn't do anything. I was driving down the road, my horse trailer hooked up, and it started squeaking. And I called you, and you told me it wasn't a big deal. So now here we are. It's a big deal.
It's kind of a big deal.
It's your fault.
Sounds pretty bad. So anyways, we're gonna get that swapped out. We've got a nice new Timken Freshie, thanks to good old Rock Auto. Now, the only reason we're able to even fix this truck is thanks to our sponsors over at bmcbuilt.com. If you haven't already, go check us out. Dude, these people at the tire store stripped out these threads. I'm gonna be so mad.
You're not reusing those threads anyway.
Yeah, we are, because this is on the dually adapter piece.
No, you don't need those threads.
I can't tell if it's just stuck on the washer.
Oh, the washer's free. Just spin on the rest of the way off with the impact.
I guess.
It'll be okay.
Stupid people.
You know what we do have that'll help with this problem?
Anti-seize.
Some anti-seize.
You know, that's what's crazy to me. They have one job all day, every day. You would think that they would learn how to not strip things out.
I tell you, there's only one thing that stinks worse than a messed up wheel bearing. Horses. And if you could only smell the inside of this goddamn rig. Boy, let me tell you what.
Oh, yeah.
I think it'll buff out.
Yeah, it should be fine.
You got at least another 50,000 miles. Oh yeah, that's great.
Sounds so good.
Look at these brand new shocks that I might or might not have helped install.
Oh, yeah, we did do that, didn't we? Those came off my truck.
That's when you put those cool brakes on.
Yeah. Oh, I remember that now, yeah. Hey, you got a shallow 22 half-inch. I really appreciate our sponsors, but
They work so good that you have to take them off.
yeah, they're so comfy and warm. I just can't do it.
You need to hit a deer. So we can get a fog light bumper.
That or a ranch hand. This truck desperately needs a ranch hand.
If you do a ranch hand, we need to put a flatbed on it.
Well, that too. Yeah, it needs a flatbed for sure.
I'm not flatbedding it until my fenders go down.
I can make that
Well,
happen.
then we can go ahead and put a flatbed on it.
No.
We can make this process real fast.
Are you gonna finance the ranch hand and the flatbed nut?
You can get a ranch hand cheap if it's not a ranch hand brand.
I have one for like 200, like a
I
full
know,
ranch hand for
honey.
200
Thank you so much
bucks.
for just continuing to just shed a light.
I can't hear you. Sorry, baby.
Honey?
Is this where you want to be when Jesus comes back? Making fun of poor little old Ben?
I do. What are you doing? Get out of that! Get out!
This is my new car.
We haven't gotten rich enough to do giveaways. You get out of there.
Hey, we'll get this thing away.
That's a great idea.
Absolutely not.
So what exactly are you doing here?
Taking the ABS wire off. We need an Allen head. Actually, no, we don't, because it's going to come out with it, because the new one has one.
So you don't need one.
Very nice. No. Hope this actually joint's okay, because I'm not taking it out.
Well, what are you waiting for?
I'm just looking at what I have to do next, Matthew.
First time, huh?
For what?
First time you ever done this?
Oh, no. Not at all.
I'm starting to get a little skeptical.
Those are rusty.
Stick to Duramax wheel bearings, bud.
Ooh, no. Gross. I didn't even do that one. You did.
Told y'all I was a mechanic. Y'all go give this guy your money. He needs it, I promise.
All right, just to fill you guys in real quick. If you haven't ever done one of these, it's not that bad. Take your rotor off, obviously your caliper. This is your wheel bearing itself. This is the part that's bad. So we've got 4 bolts that we're gonna undo. I've already started on these 2. We're gonna take these 2 over here off. And then there's a trick where you leave the socket, like I have here, on the bolt head, and you turn the wheel each way. And that'll help push out your bearing, because a lot of times this will get seized in here and they're a pain to get out. So just a quick little tip. And also you got to take your axle nut off. So just be mindful of that. Useless.
I'm trying to help you. Thank you.
Doing what?
By figuring out when we're going to Diesel and Dark Corners. Because we're sled pulling this bitch now.
Is that right?
Pro stock class. This mother compounded.
I think it'd be all right. I think it'd do good.
Compound turbos. All right, take off.
The jack stand's still under it.
Yes. Yes.
Now the axle's bent.
Yes.
Maybe.
That's unfortunate.
All right, well, I guess whenever y'all want to get that jack stand under there, we can leave.
I got a service truck to work on.
Gonna go.
Boom! Yes!
Oh, I forgot about that.
I did too. It's no bummer.
Dang, honey, why did you say anything?
We can go do whatever. We ain't gonna
The urge to go behind him and smack the shit out of him.
You say you want me to smack? You say you want me to smack the shit out of you?
No. How do I do this?
No, you're not taking this away from me. This is the best part.
Let go.
You have to jack it up first.
Okay. Stop. Let me do it. Let me do it. Look,
Look, you're bending your tag up.
I'm ready to help.
Hold on. Don't break it.
I'm not breaking it.
Why are we jacking it back up?
So that she can do it. I don't want her to get mad. Oh, it's too bad that I took the little pin out of there. I was going to take the handle from you.
Jeez, oh Pete.
I mean, don't...
Aggressive.
Don't break it.
Well, there went that wheel bearing. Just kidding.
Off I go.
All right, put your tools up.
Okay, bye. Happy to have it back.
Very happy.
Not making any weird noises.
No more weird squeaky noises. I want this lamp. It's so pretty.
It's nice to want things.